Hello everybody, Danny here at ParTay. Doing one last test here on our blacks before our launch release. Just testing it against some different stuff that we got it there. For example, this here is the Contra Bright. It's the high G series, so it's not really rated for additional light. Right now I'm just doing a little stress testing. I've got somewhere in the ballpark of about 65 lux roughly on the screen. So just testing some of the screens. That's why it's holding up as well as it is because it's lower lux. Once it gets up to about 175 to 200, not really an optimal image, but it's meant for a room with a controlled lighting environment. Provides additional contrast than a white screen. The bigger screen that both of these are attached to, that is just solid silver metallic paint. Not top of the line, but it's Modern Masters. So just some of the stuff that I used to use back in the day. I've still got some of that stuff here, so I figured I'd use some of the silver paint and see how it compares. And this is the black. I'm sure you already figured that out by now. But holds color, brightness very well. You know, it is a darker screen. It's noticeably darker, but it's dark where it needs to be, and it's still bright where it needs to be. So once again, we're getting excited about the launch. I'm doing this right now, by the way, with a 2500 lumen Iki, setting approximately 10, somewhere between 9 3/4 and 10 feet away from the boards. I measured it earlier, but I moved the projector a little bit earlier whenever I was toying around. So there you can see the screen colors. The Contra Bright, which is sort of an eggshell white. This is pure silver metallic here. That's all that is. And then the black here. So hopefully you guys are as excited as we are about our launch. We thank you for taking time to watch the video, and if you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to us in the email in the description, and I hope you guys have a good night.